What's up everyone, it's Andreas from Quick Reviews, and today with me I have the new Canon D200. As you may know, I recently started the YouTube channel and I wanted to improve the content I'm giving to the audience, and that was the perfect opportunity for me to go out and buy a good camera for the videos, for the YouTube, for my everyday. And I found out that the EOS 200D from Canon was the best option for my budget, and here I am trying to give you a hint about it. I have changed the angle on the camera so you can see better what I'm doing here. For those wondering, I've been shooting the videos on my phone. It was super hard and the quality is not that good. So I wanted to buy a good camera for YouTube, as I said. And that DSLR, I think it's a really good buy. Okay, let's go on. I've been searching a lot to find a good camera that it was in my budget and it was supporting some of the features I wanted. So this is a 24.2 megapixels DSLR. This is the EOS 200D from Canon. It comes with body and the EFS 18 to 15 millimeter lens. It can go up to a 25,600 ISO. It can shoot up to 5 frames per second. That means when you hold the button to take photos, it can shoot up to 5 photos in a second. It supports dual pixel autofocus, which is super important for staying in focus while shooting the videos, and that was a big reason for buying this camera. It has a vari-angle LCD, which is also a pretty big point for me to choose this camera, because I could see myself shooting and I could know what I'm shooting. It also has Wi-Fi and NFC, which is always good. I'm not going to complain about that. And let's go on. This is my first time opening it too, so I'm super excited about it. So okay, we have the manuals. No one reads those really, so let's just skip them. Now, okay, we have the power cable. We have the charger here. Okay, good. We also have the battery inside. Let's open it also. Good. It's protected with this plastic cap here, and it's 1400 milliampere hour. Anyway, this is the lens. It's packed well. I think it was safe. Okay, it's protected with the cap. Back also has a cap at the front. Looks good. Now, what else do we have here? We have the Canon strap to put it on the camera, and you can hang it on yourself while shooting, while holding it. and you can shoot easily. Good quality. It's okay, just a strap. And now let's go into the nice part, which is the body. And this is it, guys. The Canon 200D with the variangle LCD screen. Nice. Has a good weight on it. I mean, it's not uncomfortable to hold. The weight is just perfect. And let's open it. Now, as some of you may know, there are the digital SLR cameras, and there is cameras that are called mirrorless. Now, the reason they are called mirrorless is because they don't have a mirror. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, there is a mirror in there, which is when it captures the image reflects on the mirror and it comes here, and you can see what you are shooting. Let's put the lens on. This is my first time putting this thing on, so let's not break it. Okay. And it locks there. Good. Okay, now it's a bit heavier, but I have used my friend's DSLR for a while, and I think it was a 600D. It was way heavier and way uncomfortable to hold. This one is pretty nice. It has a pretty nice hold on it. It has also a microphone. You can see the holes there for the voice to go through. It's overall a nice product. I mean, okay, I'm not gonna go into details about it. I'm gonna make a separate video reviewing it, but I think it's what I expected. It's nice camera. So that was a quick unboxing for you guys, and as I said, I'm gonna go into a detailed review for this product, so stay tuned and I'm gonna see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.